welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. So today's video is, I love this video. I want to share with you guys this gorgeous new line in Bed Bath & Beyond. So I went to Bed Bath & Beyond. I love Bed Bath & Beyond. I know it's not that popular, but that is one of my top stores. So I go on this weekend and I walk in, and then there's a big display. Caught my eye. I knew it was new. So it was farmhouse, cottagey, kind of feel, like country feel, but very cottagey too. So I went there to see everything. So I filmed for you guys because I know you guys would love this line. So this line is a Bed Bath & Beyond line. It's their exclusive line. It is called Bee and Willow. It's very cute, guys, and I just even love the tags. It's just so cute in the display. So I filmed, so I'm going to show you what they had in store. So I went back there. It is a beautiful line that I know you guys are going to really enjoy. You know, it's like, even if you're not into farmhouse and you're into like French country and cottagey, you're going to love this line. So yeah, and I know a lot of people incorporate with modern farmhouse. You can use that for modern farmhouse too. So I picked up 2 items and I will show you after I show you the shop with me. I think you guys are gonna really love it. All right, so let's get into the shop with me. It's so exciting. I just loved everything. All right, so here's the new line at Bed Bath & Beyond, Bee and Willow. So those are little coasters, very cute. They come in 2 patterns, the blue and then the red. And this is a runner. It's double-sided, very long. It has the stripes on the top, and in the bottom was flowers. Beautiful tray. This is a white serving platter, which they have all the matching dishes and mugs to this. And then they have kitchen towels. Love you till the cows come home. 2 towels for $5.99. Not bad. This one's my favorite. Home Sweet Home. It's very cute, and I love the dish towel behind it. That light gray. That is my favorite pattern. And then they have glasses, clear and blue. Very cute. And then they have the dishes are right here. You see the white and the blue ones? That's the 2 colors. And look at that crochet placemat, which I'm in love with. All right, here's more of the dishes, the pitcher, a little caddy for your silverware, and they have silverware. Okay, here's all the glasses, the placemats. It's the gray one, the crochet, $4.99. Not bad. And I love this ruffly burlap one too. That one's very cute. All right, I'm going to show you the dishes, the mugs. All right, now I found some baskets, which are really cute. I love this white one. Kind of like, I don't even know, rope. And then they have the striped ones. That'd be cute for a laundry room. All right, and then they have brushes and dustpans. I love these vintage dustpans. They come in that green, and then that's cool. I think coconut white. And then they have the brushes. I'm just loving all this. And then they have the feather dusters. Really cute. That one's a pretty long one. This one's really cute. I would like to just display those like in my laundry room. And then they have some caddies, like cleaning caddies. All right, over here they have runners and placemats. Every runner has placemats that go with it. I just love that. All right, now some kitchen towels. I love these aprons. The bouquet floral is my favorite, the gray one. Even the blue stripe one, I just love it. They're very different and unique. Kitchen towels. How cute is these ruffle runners and ruffle placemats? I can't take it, guys. All right, of course I love the floral with the stripes. They have a runner and they have placemats. All right, now I found another display. Okay, this is like a spice rack and spice jars. I cannot find the prices. They have some really pretty spatulas and a utensil holder. They're like enamel. And that is a fruit basket. It hangs. I couldn't get it out. Look how beautiful that canister is. I love this one. And then they had a cookbook stand. And then they had a mug rack, a wicker flatware caddy, very cute. All right, look how beautiful these hydrangeas, the beautiful pink, but I didn't even show you the container it's in. It's very cute. They have some white colanders. I'm just loving those flowers. Okay, they have these cute laundry baskets, a woven one. The white one's really cute. And I like the other one too. They're really, really nice size and very good quality. All right, so I found this beautiful throw, $49.99. The hydrangeas again, I just love them. Candles, and then they have a lot of galvanized like trays. That one's cute to put the candles in. More candles. They have a lot of candles. I didn't smell any. I'm gonna go back. They have picture frames. I gotta come back and show you guys more, in detail. More hydrangeas. Look how beautiful they are. They have all the colors that you can possibly want. More candles. I'm telling you, they have a lot of candles. Those are really cute, galvanized. And then they have the enamel ones. I'm trying to look for prices, but I can't seem to find it. But they're really cute. All right, and the candlesticks next to them, I didn't show you guys, but those are enamel up there. And then they have lamps. I mean, they have everything. And then I found this beautiful tray. I couldn't find the price, but it's so beautiful and big. And then I found what the shelf, which is really cute. And then it had hooks on the bottom. Really nice. You can display pretty things up there. Be good for a kitchen. All right, now I found more candles. I got to come back and just smell the candles. I have to. All right, and then they had more frames. I want to show you this shelf they had. It's really cute. I can't find the price on that either. All right, how cute are these 3 mini wreaths? I just love them, and they come in that box, and you hang them together in that like wooden crate behind it. I'm just loving that. Then I found some glass like vases. All right, I love this lamp. I was looking at it because I think it's so cute. All right, and then I found another wreath in that crate, which is really cute. And then I found just a crate to put blankets in. And now I found some candle holders, which are really cute. These like very cottagey. All right, and then I found the bed section, which I'm just loving. Look at all these goodies I found in this tray. I feel like I just went into grandma's crate and I'm going through all her blankets. Look how cute, guys. I had so much fun. That one's cute, and that's another throw. Blues and grays. And that crate is even for sale, the girl told me. So, okay, look at how beautiful this whole bed setup is. I love that gray flowers. And then they put the buffalo check, the gray. All right, more goodies in a crate. Grandma's crate. That's how I feel like. I love that crochet blanket. And then these pillows. They come in white and gray. And I just love this pattern, that flower, that light gray. I just want to take that whole crate home. All right, and then I found like this really nice bedspread with ruffles. That's what I'm looking at. I want to buy that. And then I found the quilts. I love they come in like a little basket. All right, and then I found it in a sage color. More of the quilts. I just love how they put the quilts in that little like basket. All right, I want to show you a closer look of the pillows. I love that pillow, that flower pillow. I love the way they just set up the whole bed. I just want to just take that whole set home. Very pretty, and I love this blue too. So I wanted to show you a closer look of the pillows. That was really soft. All right, I want to show you the setup because I thought it was really cute. I love the white brick behind, and I love this wooden ceiling. So I want to show you. I don't know if it's part of the collection, but it's really cute. All right, guys. So what did you think about that? What did you think about the line? Did you love the line? And would you pick any of those pieces up? Let me know down below what pieces you would pick up, what piece you eyed that you would love. And if you really like this line and you want me to always show you the new stuff that come out with this line, let me know down below, and I will surely do videos for you guys, updates on this whole line. And if you're really, really interested, I will go back to Bed Bath & Beyond and I will do more of a detail shop with me and show you guys like every little piece in detail with you. All right, so if you want that, don't forget, leave the comment down below and let me know. All right, so, and isn't it just so cute? I just love the name. I just love the name. All right, so right now I'm going to show you what I picked up right now. I have a few things in my eye that I want, but I want to know what you guys have in your eye what you want to pick up. All right, let me just show you these two that I picked up. Okay. So I picked up these two blankets, but I picked up this, but this is my favorites. Let me just show you guys. So I picked this up because I was scared. They only had two. So I know this is going to be pretty popular, and it's crochet. It's so pretty. It's all white, which I love. So I picked this up because I was scared that it was going to be gone when I went back next week, you know, to film with you guys or to pick something else up. So I knew this was going to go quick. So it's very pretty. It's very white. The detail is really pretty. This is like so like country, farmhouse, cottagey. It just looks like so this looks like your grandma crocheted this for you, right? I just love it. It's so pretty, guys. So this was $49.99, and a lot of things I wanted to look for the prices. There was no prices on it yet. Maybe because it's a new line. I don't know. But this was $49.99, which I know it's a little pricey, but considering other stores, I think it's okay for a crochet blanket. Because I know if you go to Pottery Barn, they charge you like over $100 for like a throw or a blanket like this. But the other thing too, what I love is, look at this hanger that they give you, which this hanger is reusable. You know, sometimes you don't know where to put your blanket. You just hang your blanket on here, which I think that's a great idea. Sometimes we don't have enough storage, but throwing it on here and just hanging it, I just love it. And I'm gonna keep these hangers. I just love them. And look how cute. So their symbol is like a beehive kind of, but yeah. So I love these hangers too. So I fell in love with the hangers. And then this is really, really like heavy blanket. I can't even explain. It's very heavy. Even holding it, heavy, very good quality. This is the detail. It's really pretty. It's $49.99 too. And I got another hanger, but love it. This is more like a cream. This is more like white, and this is more like a cream, but I put my all my creams and my whites together. I feel it just gives more dimension. Yeah, you could do that. You could put your creams and your whites. I think it looks so beautiful. All right, so that's what I picked up. I really love it. And yeah, don't forget, let me know down below what you like, and let me know down below if you want to see more of this line, and if you want me to share every time they come out with, you know, new stuff. And let me know if you want me to go back and do more of a detail shop with me. All right, so if you got a Bed Bath & Beyond, you probably do. Just Google it and go there and check this line out in person. All right, guys, so I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye.